Today, we're introducing the Quantum Emperor EA V7.4 MT4, available for purchase on MQL5 market. Priced at $999 USD, this expert advisor is designed to enhance your trading with its advanced approach to handling the prestigious GBP USD pair. This EA is a groundbreaking tool developed by experienced traders with over 13 years of experience. Quantum Emperor is designed to optimize your trading and minimize risk with its unique strategies. Quantum Emperor operates best on the GBP USD pair with a minimum deposit of $1,000 and is compatible with ECN accounts. It's highly recommended to use a broker that offers low spreads for the best performance. This EA is designed to work seamlessly with brokers like IC Markets and IC Trading, and we recommend using low spread accounts for optimal results. After your purchase, you will receive the Quantum Emperor EA program along with easy-to-follow installation instructions and additional files to set it up. Here is your download folder, which includes the necessary files, instructions, and user manual to get started. Now let's dive into the performance of Quantum Emperor EA V7.4 MT4 through backtesting. As you can see, Quantum Emperor EA demonstrates a profit factor of 3.42, with an impressive gross profit of $2,329 USD and minimal drawdown. This backtest indicates its reliability and ability to handle fluctuating market conditions. Let's take a look at the live trading performance of Quantum Emperor EA. Here's a live chart showing how the EA is executing trades on the GBP USD pair. As we can see, the EA takes positions and manages trades effectively, optimizing your risk-reward ratio. Ready to get started? You can now download Quantum Emperor EA V7.4 MT4 directly from the YoForex Premium channel for only $199 USD, an exclusive offer. Join our YoForex Premium channel to access the latest updates and download links. With Quantum Emperor EA, you're equipped with a top-tier trading tool backed by expert support. Get started with Quantum Emperor EA V7.4 MT4 today and take your trading to the next level. Visit yoforex.org for more details and instant access.